Our top story at 10, the Secretary of Agriculture says Idaho is wrong when it comes to a legal ruling on hemp that resulted in an out-of-state truck driver being charged. 6 on your side's McKenna King is live in studio with what the attorney who represents that hemp supplier has to say about the developments in our continuing coverage.
The U.S. Department of Agriculture released its legal opinion yesterday on the implications of the 2018 Farm Bill, which legalized hemp nationwide. Now, an attorney for Big Sky Scientific, the hemp supplier, says that legal opinion states what they have been saying all along, that they believe Idaho is wrong in issuing drug trafficking charges for transporting hemp.
When the president signs a bill into law, it becomes law.
But Dennis Palamarchuk, a truck driver who drove hemp through the state of Idaho for Big Sky Scientific, is still being charged for doing just that.
Unfortunately, the state of Idaho continues to press and say that a bill does not become law until it gets printed in a paper book or updated on the internet.
The 2018 Farm Bill was signed into law last December, but because it hasn't been printed, the state of Idaho argues it was against the law for Palamarchuk to drive a load of hemp through the state in January of 2019.
The 2018 Farm Bill, it says that any hemp that was produced under other federal law constitutes valid and legal hemp that can be transported across the country right now. Other federal law would include the 2014 Farm Bill,
which is what Sonny Perdue, the Secretary of Agriculture, stated in his legal opinion Tuesday. He said, quote, "This office does not concur with the reasoning of the magistrate regarding the shipment of hemp lawfully produced under the 2014 Farm Bill." And the U.S. Department of Agriculture's legal opinion says states and Indian tribes may not prohibit the interstate transportation or shipment of hemp lawfully produced under the Agricultural Act of 2014.
My client bought legal hemp from a farmer that was licensed to grow that hemp.
Now it's a topic of discussion at the Ninth Circuit Court. Big Sky Scientific is suing Idaho State Police and the Ada County prosecuting attorney.
We think that the Ninth Circuit will agree with us. Interstate commerce allows a legal agricultural commodity like peanuts or potatoes or raisins to be shipped on a truck from one state to another state.
And hemp under the federal law falls under the blanket of legal agricultural commodity. Attorney Elijah Watkins says they are currently waiting on the Ninth Circuit Court to issue oral arguments in this case. At this point, the Ada County prosecutor is the only one with the power to drop the charges against Palamarchuk. We reached out to the Ada County prosecutor's office this afternoon and they have not responded. Live in studio, McKenna King, 6 on your side.